Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Prolink model and that the router supports the extender. This matters for compatibility and bands. Once done, plug the extender into a wall outlet halfway to the dead zone so it can relay strong signals. Make sure the power LED is solid before you proceed. Next, connect your laptop or phone to the extender's default Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This gives you direct access to the extender's web setup page. Now open the setup URL or app to start configuration. You'll log into the extender's web UI using the default admin username and password. Change that later for security. Then scan and select your router's SSID, choose the appropriate band too. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and input the router Wi-Fi password so the extender can join. Once joined, set the extender SSID. You can mirror the router to allow seamless roaming or create a distinct name for manual switching. Finally, adjust DHCP or IP settings to avoid address conflicts. You finish by saving configurations and rebooting the extender, and often the router too, to clear caches and apply settings. After both come back up, reconnect your devices and test in the previously dead zone to confirm improved signal and throughput. Make sure the extender shows as connected to the router. If speeds are low or connection fails, factory reset the extender and repeat setup, but place the unit closer to the router during initial pairing. This resolves most pairing and signal issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.